and welcome to the grand opening ceremony of Lego Galaxy, home to the all-new Galacticoaster here at Legoland Florida Resort. My name is Haley Clips, well-known reporter for covering the most orbital occasions and solar stories throughout the Lego Galaxy. And that's why I'm here today. We will be counting down to the ceremonial launch of the very first spacecraft from Spaceport 885 into the Lego Galaxy. In just a moment, Explorer Captain Nova Orion will be delivering the specially designed blast-off button that will power up the spacecraft and send it soaring. So, while we wait for Nova, I'd like to introduce to you some very special visitors. First, please give a celestial cheer for the park president of Legoland Florida Resort and today's honorary launch director, Brian Bachicha.
Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Legoland Florida Resort. Today is a very special day for our team here in Florida. After more than 3 years of planning, building, testing, and dreaming, we are incredibly proud to officially open Lego Galaxy. Home are our newest and most thrilling attraction yet, Galacticoaster. Lego Galaxy was built with families in mind. Every detail was designed to create a place where kids can explore, laugh, experience theme park firsts, and moments of wow. I want to recognize the dedicated team here in Florida, from operations to engineering to entertainment and our master model builders. Your passion is what built this incredible experience. And to the families who visit us year after year, thank you. You are the reason we continue to grow, innovate, and build new attractions just like this.
So much, Brian. Thank you. It certainly takes a universe of dedicated people to bring something this astronomical to life. Now, I'm thrilled to introduce this next interstellar individual, CEO of Merlin Entertainment and an expert on all extraterrestrial expansion, Fiona Eastwood.
Thank you very much. Good morning, and thank you to Brian, and congratulations to the entire Legoland Florida team. Moments like this represent something much bigger than a simple attraction launch. With the opening of Lego Galaxy, Merlin Entertainment continues to deliver world-class, play-driven experiences that bring families together. Galacticoaster reflects how we are evolving our Legoland resorts around the world, combining immersive theming, cutting-edge ride systems, and the unmistakable creativity of the Lego brand. The partnership between Merlin and the Lego Group allow us to think bigger, invest ambitiously, and create environments where families come together to play. We're focused on building destinations that families can escape to and return again and again. Lego Galaxy is a powerful example of that strategy in action. To the teams across Merlin Magic Making, development and delivery and design, thank you for bringing this vision to life. And to our young Galaxy explorers, today you remind us that the future is built brick by brick. We are proud to launch this next chapter together. Thank you.
Thank you, Fiona. Thank you so much. The Lego Galaxy is ecstatic to welcome and inspire this new generation of young explorers. Now, with all of that,
Incoming transmission from Nova.
What?
Incoming transmission from Nova.
Nova, is everything okay?
Spaceport, we have a problem.
Uh-oh.
We've build in the engineering bay when the anti-gravity chamber went haywire and the blast-off button, blasted off into the Lego Galaxy. We're searching for it now, but I'd suggest you come up with a backup plan.
Oh no! It sounds like we are going to need some intergalactic ideas. Calling all space travelers with intergalactic ideas, please report to Spaceport 885 and fast! Attention, everyone, please listen up. Hey, look! A meteor shower! Oh, it flew by really fast. Now that I have your attention, the blast-off button might not make it in time for the ceremony. So we need to come up with a different way to power up the spacecraft. So let's hear those intergalactic ideas.
Oh, I've got one.
Space creature, that's great. Let's hear it.
Step 1, collect 885 laser blasters. Step 2, test the laser blasters, like this. Choo! Then, choo! Choo, 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 choo! Step 3, aim the laser blasters at the base plate of the spacecraft. Step 4, zap! And off it goes.
Wow, that's certainly a thrilling idea. But are you sure we can point that many lasers at the spacecraft?
Only one way to find out. Ha ha!
Oh, I have a stellar suggestion. Can I go next? Alien dancer, of course.
We could launch the spacecraft by using the power of dance.
Yes.
Come on, everyone. It's about to get so out of this world.
Click, click, build a spaceship. Make your own wings, do it brick by brick. Moving like a rocket for power. Charged up like a meteor shower. Checking in mission command. Pop up on this mission, is it in the plan? Reach for the stars, let me see your hand. We're the dance party when the spacecraft lands.
And do the spaceport shuffle.
Wow, that was out of this world. But do all of us need to be able to dance like that? Because I can't quite do all. You.
Incoming transmission from Nova.
Nova, did you find the button?
Not yet. And it seems like you could use a hand out there.
Yeah.
I know just who can help.
Great.
I'm sending you the most experienced explorers in the Lego Galaxy. The Junior Galaxy Explorers.
Junior Galaxy Explorers, we've heard so much about you throughout the Lego Galaxy, wowing our master model builders with your space-inspired creations. And now that you're here, let's introduce you. First, we have Landon, 11 years old from Lakeland. Next, we have Masha, 9 years old from Miami Beach. We have Jovian, 8 years old from Hialeah. And Gabriel, 10 years old from Orlando. Let's hear it for them. You all truly embody the power of imagination, creativity, and hands-on fun. But now, it's time for your next mission. You see, the blast-off button is missing somewhere in Lego Galaxy. So we need to find a different way to power up the spacecraft. Can you help us? Great! Hey, so what do you think we should do? That's it! Your galactic geniuses! We can use our creativity to build a blast-off button of our own. And it's just like Lego has taught us. If one thing doesn't work, we can build something even better.
Now that's some cosmic creativity.
And with rocket-like speed.
It's fantastic! Powered by imagination and built brick by brick. Exactly how Legoland launches into the future. And speaking of future, it's almost time. Mission Control, how's it looking in there?
All bricks have clicked into place.
I hope the studs shine like a shooting star.
Studs and tiles have been shined to perfection.
Don't forget the laser blasters.
Laser blaster testing complete.
Woohoo!
We're go for launch.
Great! Everyone count down with us, starting from 10. Here we go!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Tower minifigures and one giant leap for Brickkind. The Lego Galaxy is now officially open, and Galacticoaster